Okay, like listen, I'm just feeling real. Let me go ahead and tell you guys real quick, 'cause I know you guys are looking kind of like, what's going on? She leaning to the side. Somehow when I sprayed my bob down, it shifted a little teeny bit, which is why I got this little lopsided bob thing going on. But I wasn't gonna take this off and do it again. Okay, I'm not, Goodness gracious. 0.3 inch or below, you should be good to go. I did go in and co-wash the unit as always. I didn't get no shedding or tangling during the co-wash, and I didn't get any during the actual blow dry and styling either. No shedding or tangling? Okay, I'm here for that. The texture of the hair is really, really soft. I loved how this hair looked when I was blow drying it. Even though it is more of a silky type of texture, it still has like a thickness to it. If I can get my little wrist action right, I'm definitely gonna be using my little roller brush to kind of blow out this unit to give me like, you know, a silk press type of look. Cause y'all, this hair is pretty and it blow dries really, really nice. If you can get your little wrist action, you can give yourself a little doobie wrap real quick, okay? Now the parting space that I got is 13x4. However, they do offer different parting spaces. This unit also comes in a 4x4 lace parting area as well as a U part. I believe the U part is around $50 and the 4x4 is around $70. So yeah, so whatever you feeling today, Susan, you can do that, okay? Get whatever floats your boat, sis. The only con that I have with this unit, and it's only because they said it, okay? Kriyya, let me not lie, okay? Let me get my phone out real quick. They said it was a natural hairline. Kriyya, no. That hairline was thick around there, okay? So I did go in just on my right side to pluck into that hairline because I knew I was gonna do a little bang on this side and I didn't want to pluck the whole thing. That's how that hairline is looking with no plucking, okay? See how that's looking? Normally the plucking is not a con, but when you say natural hairline, I expect a natural hairline. Now you guys saw me spray the unit down all the way around here, but my lace started lifting over here because I didn't spray it down, you know, as much as I normally do. So I just went on and tucked that joint up above my ear, and that's how she's sitting, okay? We not, I ain't doing a whole bunch of spray on my hair. I just washed that joint. I'm trying to keep my hair clean, okay? The 8 inches is definitely giving me like a vibe. Look at the movement of the hair, y'all. Holly, you see this hair? Okay, like listen, I'm just feeling real woo bougie. You know I'm gonna be extra all week this week, okay? It's my birthday week. I need to show these young bucks how I do. My necklace is getting all jumbled. It's cheap, don't judge me. Don't play me, play lotto. I shop on a budget too, okay? Let me live. But short and sweet, that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Kriyya Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. All my specs and the direct link for this unit will be listed down below so you guys can check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.